So hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how I built my first custom keyboard. Where did I buy it from? What parts did I use? So long story short, I was in love with buying and making my own custom keyboard, and I knew KBD fans was the option to go, right? So I started looking into the website and storing around, and this I heard and read on Reddit somebody that bought them directly from China. So that's what I did. I bought the things directly from China, so maybe I can shave some couple of bucks. Total end maybe I think $300 USD, maybe 400 with taxes and stuff. I ended up buying this resin case, right? You can see it here. This is apparently a purple galaxy, but it looks more like a bluish. I also bought them. I bought them the PCB, the keycaps, the switches, cherry switches. I only use cherry. I don't use any other brand. And also cherry O-rings, I think. This is how they sound. I also bought cherry stabilizers, so mostly everything cherry, and this is my palm rest. You can see very nice. It's actually wood. Unfortunately, I don't think we will be able to see the shininess on the wood. But I just want to guide you through that process. It's an amazing experience. If you like to have your own things, you should try to make it your own. I still have to improve some things on this keyboard, which is the back plate and the top plate, I think they're called. I gotta buy those because the ones that I buy, they were in Chinese, right? Translating the things are not very easy and they're not very accurate. So the back plate that I had and the top plate that I had did not actually fit my keyboard layout, which is ANSI, and I think the ones that I got were ISO. So I tried my best to do some modification, but in the end it didn't work. So I just removed them. I haven't had any issues though with my keyboard right now. But just want to let you know, it's a great experience. I think you will love it. If you have some extra couple of $100 and you want to have your own keyboard, especially hot swappable, which is the main reason I decided to do this. Hot swappable keys. I think I can show you. For example, if I pull this, right? Let me just pull it out. You can see how I remove the switch and everything. See? So basically, I just have the switch and the keycap. I can remove the keycap, of course. You can see the O-rings there. Look at the O-rings there. It's a red O-ring. I'll just put it back, and there you go. So what is the main reason for this? If you have a long like a keyboard, you play a lot of FPS games, you're gonna hit them hard. Sometimes the switch dies itself. Not like the switch simply dies. It stops working. So if you don't want to do soldering and all that stuff, with this one, it's just very easy. You just remove it, pull the new one, put it in, that's it. You're back into gaming. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You liked it, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one, okay? Take care, boys.